Okay, well, yesterday couldn't get any money out of the bank, so today I'm gonna go to the bank, pick up some groceries, and I'm not too sure what else to do for the rest of the day. Well, I gotta get my yard done, all raked wise and that, so that'll be on today's video. Yeah, so let's go to the bank. Alrighty, task. I'm gonna clean this all up, and I'm gonna make this and get some chairs and a table so I can sit outside and have a nice backyard. So this is before, and we'll see what after looks like. Alrighty, wish me luck.
No bag.
Gone. Oh, wants a bag. Okay, so I hired a guy to cut my grass. He wants a bag.
Oh, thanks. Thanks. Yes.
Awesome.
Very good.
No. Okay, I'm gonna let him work, and then I'll film when he's done. But he's gonna do the backyard, and he's gonna do the driveway. I don't know why I pointed the camera there. You can't see the driveway, but yeah. So that's a bonus, because I asked the landlord for a rake, and I couldn't find. She didn't have any rakes, so I have to buy a rake. So, but anyways, he's gonna cut this as well, and it's gonna look, hopefully it'll look better. Alrighty. Yeah, and then I can hang a divider wall and sheets or whatever, and then get a table, and at least I'll have a nice backyard. Alrighty. Okay, so he's gonna come back tomorrow with a rake, but this is what he did today. And then tomorrow he said he'll rake it all up, because he can't get a rake today. And right now he's doing what they call the driveway. Thank God I don't have a big lawn. Sweet. Okay, so the yard's all raked up. It's best as I can get it. And then, well, this garbage here, but I won't see this. So this right here, if I can reach it, I'm gonna hang some sheets just to divide it. And then we won't see this stuff here. But it looks good. Looks way better than it was. Okay, so tomorrow we're going to the flea market. We're gonna see what we can find there for furniture and used sheets. And then I can get this done so I can enjoy this. I can sit outside. Alrighty, till tomorrow at the flea market. See you guys there. Bye-bye.